Right, so I'll be showing you how to get Gemini on your iPhone. Now, this is very simple. If you want to use Google's Assistant, the new Gemini, you want to go into the Apple App Store on your iPhone and then go to the search function and then search for Gemini. And from the results, you will see Google Gemini. Tap on that and you can see this is by Google. You can see the logo. Just make sure you get the correct application. And then go ahead and tap on Get and then authenticate the installation and then allow the app to get installed onto your iPhone. It's really that simple. So once the installation is complete, you can now launch the app. Of course, it's going to ask which account you want to use. So if you have multiple accounts, you can tap on this little arrow and select the account you want. Personally, I'm going to use this one, so I'll just tap on that to continue as I was. So of course, there's going to be some permissions. Google would like to send you notifications. I'm going to allow for today, but this is obviously personal preference. And that's it. We have Gemini up and ready to go. We have Gemini Live. You have the microphone icon. Of course, you can type in your prompts, or you can use voice typing, or you can go to Gemini Live. And then of course, you have the profile icon in the top right corner, and that gives you your main menu, and you can also get into the Gemini settings on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have any comments or questions, talk to us down in the comment section. Good luck.